come on, please pick up.
Hello?
Mom, it's me. Listen, I'm in so much trouble. My boss, he couldn't pay me today, and I'm almost out of time.
What? Where are I have to be next to you to transfer time. I
Mom?
come pick you up.
Mom, I can't hear you. You're breaking up.
Coming as fast as I can.
Mom? No, I must be in a dead zone. Excuse me, do you have any time to spare? I'm almost out.
Yeah, kid. Join the club.
Please.
Sorry, I've got nothing to share. I can give you 30 seconds.
30 seconds, but
It's all I can share, honey. Take it or leave it.
Okay, I'll take it.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Hey, kid, what's the matter?
My time is almost up, and no one wants to transfer me any. So I understand if you don't either.
Well, Hey, don't cry. You can have all my time. I've lived for long enough. Here,